Hello everyone, dear students, dear followers, let's get started. We have a limit at infinity and we're going to solve the second problem. So, we have a limit as a u approach to minus infinity. The fraction of u squared plus 1 multiplied to 2u squared minus 1 and divided to u squared plus 1 and square all of them. So first of all, what should we do? We should find the limit at u is approach to minus infinity, right? It means if you draw the function, what does it mean? U minus infinity. It means just if you have in the center like a 0, it means all numbers that approach from the left side like a minus 5, right? Minus 10, minus just 20, right? Everything is going to just approach to the infinity. So in this case, it's going to be just the minus infinity. It's not positive, right? It's not from the right side, but it comes from the left side. So let me just quickly erase this part. How we solve with the first example, as in my previous videos, we're going to just open the brackets. You should open the brackets from the scratch, like it's just equal to like a limit as u approach to minus infinity. So if you just open the bracket, what we have, like a u square, multiplied to 2u square, right? U square multiplied to minus 1 is equal just to minus u square. So plus 1 multiplied 2. Just now we're going to move to this part. 1 to minus 1, alright? 2 to u square. It's going to be 1 multiplied to u square. It's just 2 plus u square, and 1 minus 1, it's just a minus 1, right? So divided to, at the bottom we have the like a square formula, right? Square formula. What I mean, like a plus b square is our short multiplication formula. We have like a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? We can use this formula. So in this case, what we have, like a u square to the second power, right? Plus 2 multiplied to u square and multiplied to 1 plus u square. So let's a bit simplify the formula. Let's simplify first of all what we have, right, in denominator and to the numerator. Well, like let's continue. This is going to be just a limit as a u just approach to minus infinity. This equal to u square multiplied to 2u square. It's 2u in the fourth power, and plus u square minus 1, and all of them divided to u in power of 4, and this is plus 2u square and plus 1. So as I previously talked about how to solve such limits, I told you we should find the highest exponent, right, in a numerator, and we should find that highest highest number in denominator. So we have like a u in power of 4, right? What should we do? We should just in both sides, like a top side, we should divide to the u in power of 4. We should divide to the u in power of 4 because it is the highest power, like a u divided to 4. So it means like a limit as u approach to the minus infinity, we have like a 2 multiplied to u4 divided to u4 and plus u squared divided to u4 and minus 1 divided to the u4, right? So, and all of them divided to u4 divided to u4 and plus 2u squared divided to u4 and plus u divided to u in power of 4. So for what it's needed, for why I just divided numerator and denominator to the u in power of 4, because we know like if we have like a 1 divided or any number to the infinity, it's equal to just 0, right? My task is to eliminate indeterminate form. I mean like this form I should cancel out. So in this case, that's why I divided to the power of u and denominator and numerator to the power of u in power of 4. So we have like a limit as a kind of u approach to minus infinity. So we have like this part erased. We have only 2 plus 1 over u square, right, and minus 1 over u in power of 4. So that divided to this part, erase it, we have just the 1 plus this 2 minus 4, we have like 2 in power of 1 over u square, and plus u divided to u4, right? So now our task is to put our unknown figures. If you put to our minus infinity into each u, what do we have? Like this is equal to, automatically it's going to be equal to 0 if you put the infinity, I mean, instead of u, right? And this part as well, this is going to be equal to 0, and as well as this is going to equal to 0, and this part is equal to 0. So we have like a limit as u approach to minus infinity. We have like a 2 minus 0 plus, sorry, this is plus, this is minus 0, so, and divided to 1 plus 0 and plus 0. And we have like a limit as u approach to minus infinity. This is going to be 2 or 1, or the answer is going to be just only 2. So infinity limit as a u approach to minus infinity for this expression is equal to 2. So if you have any questions, if you have any kind of some misunderstanding about this problem and other problems and other videos, just ask me in the below of section, comment section. I'm going to answer for every your question. So thank you for attention.